In this video, we are going to show you how to create a workflow in Poppy AI. Now, creating a workflow means you want to be efficient on your boards, right? So how do we do this? We want to be organized. So to do that and not be messy, we want to use groups, right? Groups are pretty much folders for your stuff, right? So we're going to do group one, let's say media. I'm not going to correct the spelling because it's funny. Group two is going to be, say, images, right? Let's make it the same size practically. There we go. I'm going to put it here and put, say, images, right? There we go. And then group three would be script. So why am I making separate groups? Because they have separate uses, right? So script, right? This is going to be where Poppy AI's chatbot would save the script that we're going to do, right? So we have everything lined up. Now we open their chatbot and just connect everything here. There you go. Right. Once everything is connected, so media is where you're going to put all the media. So for example, it's about this. Let's put the article here. Let's make it bigger for a bit so that it's connected here. There you go. Make it smaller, but it's connected there now, right? So there you go. And then I could just say, Poppy, hey, create a 5-page script based on the contents of the media group. And I want you to save the script to the script group. So it starts from here, goes to here, creates a script, saves the script here, right? Also, for your video, I also can generate images, right? So create an image and then just prompt the script here. And I can just say in the end of the prompt, hey, I want you to save the image on the images group, right? So that is how you create a simple workflow. Things can be more complicated. You can do many more moving parts, but this is a simple script or a simple workflow for you to work without any mess up. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.